Hello, I'm Amaryllis. Today I will show you how you can turn toilet paper roll into cute Christmas decoration using my free printable. To make this Christmas decoration, Christmas craft, you will need toilet paper rolls and the free printable. You have 4 different designs. I will make each one of the 4 designs with you, and I will give you the link each time. You will see a black box appearing on your screen, and you can click on it and download each template. And first, I will give you a little tip to print the template at the right scale. Let me just explain you something when printing the template. So you open the printing screen and you have print. You obviously choose vertical and you choose color, and then you go to option, and then paper size is A4, and then you have to put here real size, so the scale of the printing will fit any toilet paper roll, and then you just click print and it's ready to go. You have 2 kinds of Santa you can choose from. And the first thing you have to do is to cut out all the shape. I will use scissors. You can also use a craft knife. All the pieces to make Santa are ready. Santa body, the arms, gift, the pompon for the hat, and Santa cell phone. So you take a toilet paper roll you want to use, and you will wrap Santa body around it. You may want to cut a little bit and adjust the dimension, because all the toilet paper roll are not the same. You can see it's not the same diameter, so you just have to adjust a little bit Santa to the toilet paper roll you will use. And you just glue the template around the toilet paper roll. You can use silicone glue stick. This is Santa body. Then let's make the hat, and you have to roll it on itself. Also, did use a thicker paper than the regular printing paper. Then you apply glue on the edge. If you need to adjust a little bit here, you can just trim the tip. Check that it fits on Santa head. And now where the edge of the paper is, you want to fold the hat over that way. So it looks much more like a Santa hat. You glue the pompon and you press so it stays on the side of the hat. You had a dot of glue here to hold the hat on Santa head. And now you can glue Santa arms. Just put a dot of glue on the back here and try to have both arms at the same height. And now you can put what you want in Santa hands, a gift, or his cell phone, as you like. And this is how the Santa toilet paper roll looks like. Next, we will make the reindeer. You have the link to download the template, and well, as previously, we have to cut all the shapes. All the pieces to make the reindeer are cut. This is the body, the ears, the tail, the antler, and the scarf, because yeah, maybe it's cold. Take a toilet paper roll, and as previously, wrap the body of the reindeer around the toilet paper roll. Again, you may have to trim a little bit the template to fit around the toilet paper roll. This is the body of the reindeer. Then you have to glue the antler here. Glue them inside. And try to align them with the face of the reindeer. And now glue the ears. And you will, I like to fold them a little. And I will add a dot of glue here. And glue them next to the top of the face. And I will fold this one also and add some glue. And we'll try to align both ears. Okay, that's what it's looking like. And then the tail. And I will fold the tail like that. And I will glue it on the back. And I like to add a scarf, so the reindeer, it's not cold. So I just wrap it around. And now I will just add the last two pieces of scarf, one here. And I will only glue again the top of the scarf. And this is how the reindeer looks like. And the next design, it's a Nutcracker. You have two different colors. We'll show you how you make this one. As previously, cut the shapes. All the pieces are ready to make the Nutcracker. You have the body, you have the accessories, the hat, and the arms. Take a toilet paper roll and wrap the body around it and glue it in place. This is how the body looks like. And now time to make the hat. So this will be the top of the hat and this will be the edge. So this piece, you have to wrap it around the head so you have the right dimension, and you glue it. Do not glue it on the toilet paper roll, just glue both ends together. Like that. And then you take it off. And you will report the circle shape on the back of the hat. And you do that because, as I said in the other craft, toilet paper roll have different diameters, so you need to adjust it to the kind of toilet paper roll you are using to make this craft. So just place the hat like that and report the circle shape. You can see that I have the circle mark here, and now I will cut little slit and stop at the circle all around the hat. And you fold the flap. That's what you have. Now I will this time use a glue stick, and I will add glue on all the flaps. Take the hat, and the yellow edge it's on top, and you slide the hat inside like this, and you just press the edge and this is how the hat looks like. You can see the inside. And now you can just put the hat in place and slide it again. I will add some glue here inside so it will hold in place on the head of the Nutcracker. Try to align the star with the face. And then you have to glue the arms on the side. And you can add some accessories. And this is how the Nutcracker looks like. This is the elf design. You have the link on your screen to download the template. So as previously, you just have to cut out all the shapes. Here are all the pieces to make the elf: the body, the hat with a pompon, the arm. These are bread, so you can choose to make a boy elf or a girl elf. Gifts and something to eat, a croissant and a muffin. So grab a toilet paper roll and you wrap it around. And as you can see, I will have to cut a little bit the paper to adjust to the toilet paper roll size. So this is the half. And now you take the piece to make the hat. You fold it and you just pinch here to mark the center, and you roll it on itself. Add a little glue. So this is the hat. You can glue the pompon on top. And now you just add a dot of glue on each side to fix the hat on the elf head. Then if you want to turn the elf boy into a elf girl, or just want to customize it, you can glue the bread on each side. Now fix the arm. Just add a lot of glue here on top of the arm and glue it on the side. Try to have both arms at the same height. Then you can just have fun and add stuff in the hand. I will add the croissant on one side and a gift on the other side. And the elf is done. Have fun crafting and decorating for Christmas. You can add a ribbon or some string on top of the paper roll and use them as ornament, or you can display them as it on a shelf or on a mantle. Do not hesitate to customize them and being creative. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more easy craft ideas.